2, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, we're going to be using Puff from Heatransferwarehouse. We're going to see how it turns out. I got a pretty slick design. And also, we're going to be going over some more materials, tips and tricks. All that and more after the intro. So before we get into pressing a shirt with the Puff, there's a couple tips and tricks I want to share with you guys. Or should I say, things that you should use to help your custom apparel business out. The first thing we're going to talk about is this lint roller. And I got this from Walmart. It's a Scotch lint roller. It's a pretty good amount of tape on there. So basically what this is for is getting all the excess fabrics and stuff off your shirts before you press. As you can see, it sticks and it takes it all away. And then you just simply peel like so. And you start all over again. And the second thing I wanted to talk about is pressing pillows. You're going to need them to lift up your garment whenever you're pressing. Sometimes the garment may have like buttons or something on it, and you want to make it a level playing field. You need pressing pillows. They also offer these at Heat Transfer Clothing or Heat Transfer Warehouse. Go ahead and hit the link. Another product that you're definitely going to need, especially once you get into sublimation or just holding down the carrier sheet itself in particular, is heat tape. And the final thing that you would need, or my final tip for the day as far as customization goes, is a Teflon sheet. You also can get these at HEATTRANSFERWAREHOUSE.com. And another tip I want to talk to you guys about is the importance of branding. A fellow YouTuber brought this to me when he went to my Instagram account. He asked me how come my Instagram was under D Black and my Facebook was under Mike T's. He was like, that could be misleading. Let's say someone's looking for you on Instagram. They're not going to know to follow you under the name D Black. So that stuck and hit really hard. I went and got some of the tags done. And as you can see, it was too late on this card. But on the back, it says D Black 2. That there is misinforming. That there can lead to sales being lost. You know why? Because they're looking for you under one name and you're under another. That's a no-no. When branding, make sure the brand is consistent and the same. So I basically got a stock image off of Google of a pumpkin. And yes, that's what we're doing with the Cut Puff. We're going to use the orange as the pumpkin. The saying that I put on top was something random that my daughter came up with. The cutest pumpkin in the patch. I thought it was neat. So we're getting ready to cut out pumpkin and the actual pumpkin itself and the Cut Puff. So as you can see, I'm at Heat Transfer Warehouse website, and I'm on Cut Puff. Now, if you want to get those applications, in case you didn't get them when you got your package or you lost them, scroll down to the bottom. They give you 3 tabs. The description tab, which basically describes what it is. The application instructions, which is exactly how you press and put it onto the garment, which is what we need. So the Puff temperature is at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is for 15 seconds, and the peel is a warm peel. Pressure, medium, even pressure. So the words are going to be a little bit different, and the outline of the pumpkin is going to be different as well. For the outline of the pumpkin, I'm going to be using this deco film, and it has a lot of different colors in it. So I thought it would be kind of neat, spice it up a little bit. And for the cutest, it's going to be in this Caesar Glitter Ember. You can get both of these from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Just visit the link. So now we're just pulling it back from the carrier sheet. I'm not going as fast because I don't want the letters to tear. And plus this is a specialty vinyl. It's pretty interesting how they can do this. It's like flat like regular vinyl, and then it puffs up as the heat hits it. Guess I really don't need that in my hand.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Once again, I'm not going too fast because this is a specialty vinyl. I'm not trying to rip any of the detail. And by the way, shout out to the squad. Seat from 12 Gone Apparel, Jerome from All Things Style, Say How You Feel, because he gonna say how you feel. And you dig. You dig? Back to this. I mean, it really did come off easy. I was just trying to be extra careful. So I just gotta pick out the cavities and actually peel this from around it, which I guess I can do that right now because there's no need for it. All we want is the inside of the pumpkin. Some may say you're wasting excess vinyl. Well, I figure I'll cut out 2 pumpkins and just make my life a little bit easier. But let me finish weeding this and place it on a shirt, and I'll get right back. So we're actually going to use a black gilding shirt for this because I want the colors to pop with everything that I'm using. And my whole thing is, once you press puff, I'm not sure if it's safe to go down on another press. That's trial and error, and we'll try that on another video. But for the sake of just trying to get the design right and this layering process right, I'm going to put the Caesar down along with the actual outline of the pumpkin with the deco, because I know you can overstamp these, nothing's going to happen. But I'm not too sure on the Walla puff itself. So let's get into it. By the way, these both press at 320 degrees for 15 seconds, medium to firm pressure. By the way, the Caesar is a cold or a warm peel. And this is a warm peel. So now let's go ahead and put the puff in there and see what happens. So if you can see where there's an outline of the part of the pumpkin that I took off, I actually used that to line myself up to make sure that it's exactly where I want it to be. That's a little sneak tip. And now let's puff. Let's press. Look at that. It's puffing right before our eyes. Oh, and the pumpkin is puffing on up. It just kind of just came off itself. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Sweet little idea. Let's pull it off the press. We'll actually put this one down on the desk so they can see it in full detail and in the light. Hey, yo, you know what time it is. Grizzly by nature time. No, not really. We at the end of this video. And if you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe, comment, like. What up, squad? Y'all know who you are. Shout out to Heatransferwarehouse. Their products are amazing. Hit those affiliate links down below. And if you would like to see some more content on the Walla Puff or any of the Heatransferwarehouse products, let me know. Drop something in the comment section. Until the next time, y'all, I'm out. Hey, yo, join Squad today on Facebook. I'm trying to figure it out for Instagram. But basically, if you want tips and tricks and knowledge for your custom apparel business, this is a place to be. Join Squad today.